Uptown Swing.
Level 1, Charleston.
Peter.
Val.
We did most of the review, but we made everything better. You guys did it really well this week. So, big thing we worked on was just like everything's got to take 2 beats. Those 2-beat kicks, right? So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Even our basic. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Even kickaways that we worked on this week. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you go fast, we all get lost. So nobody panic and go too fast there. Keep your time. There's a lot of energy, but it's slow.
Yeah. Then we talked about how if you're here, everything is easier. If you are kicking, if you're double kicking, if you're doing your basic. So get here and don't worry about the height of your kicks. They're just underneath you.
Yes, we said that for the 1000th time. I look forward to saying it again next time. We just need to say it a lot. Then we talked about this turning thing where we're not trying to turn our kicks so much. We turn our bodies and our kicks happen to go with. We're turning our bodies and we don't give these away for free. There's no feeling there. I say, no, this is mine. It's coming with me. She says the same. And we have a little fight there.
Catch.
That's the feeling. So we worked on, instead of just going around every time, we worked on kickaways where it's a squeeze and a catch and a squeeze and a catch. So we gave you a little sequence you could try. Hit, ha, hoop, ha. We get into kickaways. Hoop, ha, hoop, ha. You could go around the world. In fact, Val's trying to go around every single time.
Yeah, I want to go there.
And sometimes I catch her, sometimes I don't. She's going for it, and I'm like, nope. Ha, hoop, ha. Get some more practice. Don't come next week because we will be out of town, and we will see you later.